That KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer, a kitchen essential. The KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer, known for its versatility, performance and stylish design, has become a must-have in modern kitchens. Combining power, durability and aesthetics, this mixer is ideal for both beginner cooks and seasoned bakers. Unmatched features and specifications. Durable and reliable construction, built with a durable metal body, the mixer boasts long-lasting performance. Its 59-point planetary mixing action ensures thorough ingredient incorporation by making 59 touch points around the bowl per rotation. Generous capacity. The 5-quart stainless steel mixing bowl, featuring a comfortable handle, is dishwasher safe and spacious enough to mix up to 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread in a single batch. Whether baking for a family dinner or a party, this mixer delivers consistent results. Tilt-head design for convenience. The tilt-head design allows for easy access to the bowl and attached accessories, making it effortless to add ingredients. Once you start mixing, you can lock the head securely in place for stability. 10-speed versatility. From stirring delicate ingredients to whipping cream at high speed, the mixer's 10-speed control handles a variety of recipes with precision. It's perfect for mixing wet and dry ingredients, kneading dough and more. Customization and style. One of the highlights of this mixer is its ability to match any kitchen aesthetic. Available in over 20 colors, such as aqua sky, pistachio and passion red, it offers a full palette of options to reflect your personality. Accessories and attachments. Each KitchenAid Artisan Series mixer includes 1 5-quart stainless steel bowl, 1 coated flat beater, 1 coated dough hook, 1 6-wire whip, 1 pouring shield. These dishwasher-safe accessories make cleanup easy while ensuring versatility. Beyond the included attachments, the mixer is compatible with over 15 optional accessories, transforming it into a culinary center for making pasta, grinding meat, creating veggie noodles, or even making ice cream. Dimensions and specifications. Dimensions: 16-inch D by 16-inch, dub 2 by 11-inch H. Weight: 22.8 pounds. Capacity: 5 quarts. Dishwasher safe? Yes. Blade material: stainless steel. Why choose the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart mixer? As the #1 mixer brand in the world, according to Euromonitor International Elated, the KitchenAid Artisan Series is celebrated for its innovative design and reliable performance. Its power hub and optional attachments expand its capabilities beyond mixing, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Conclusion. The KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer is more than just a kitchen tool. It's a statement piece that blends function with form. Whether you're whipping up a quick batch of cookies or tackling a more complex recipe, this mixer will simplify your tasks and add a pop of color to your countertop. Choose your favorite color today and make this iconic mixer the centerpiece of your kitchen. Images attached showcase the elegance and functionality of the KitchenAid Artisan Series mixer.